My name is Chris Bousquet. I am the plant manager for Sika Vancouver, and we're currently at the Surrey location in Vancouver, BC. We opened in 2016. Here we mostly produce concrete admixtures and specialty mortars. Signature Grout 212, the Grout 212 HP, self-compacting cement, the 08 SCC, and a self-leveler, the Sika Level 125. I would say we're more specialized in the admixtures. There's a few admixtures here that we produce for Canada-wide. It's a great location because it's not necessarily right downtown, but we're also not out too far from the city either, so local customers can come and pick up directly from us. So the idea of opening a plant here was to supply not only the western part of Canada, but also the Pacific Northwest of the United States. This building was specifically made and designed for us. The advantage of having that is that it's a brand new plant, so it's very easy for us to keep it clean. Same with the equipment, we're able to keep up the preventive maintenance and everything to make sure the equipment stays running and operational at full capacity. Our roof is using our products. Same as on our floor, we use one of our fast floor CRs, a chemical resistant product where we do all of our admixtures. It's also, again, for the sales reps, they can show their customers what the product looked like after so many years of being worked on or being used and what it turns out and what it looks like afterwards. I wish for the plant to continue growing. We continue to grow every year. Our numbers continue to go up every year. We have new projects coming in the BC area, in the Lower Mainland area, and also in the Pacific Northwest of the United States. So with these projects, we're going to see a growth in volume.